In today's video, we're going to be discussing negative and positive feedback loops. Positive and negative feedback loops have totally different responses to change, and the first one we're going to be discussing is our negative feedback loop. The negative feedback loop returns your body to the normal range, which is 90 milligrams, and it's also responsible for regulation in the human body. For example, we have our stimulus, which is blood sugar levels increase. Your blood sugar is going to increase, and it causes a response in our body, and next our pancreas, in response to the increase in blood sugar, is going to release a hormone, which is also known as insulin. This will travel through the bloodstream to the liver, and the insulin is going to tell our cells to take blood sugar out of our blood and have it be stored. And so the blood sugar levels are going to decrease, and when they do decrease, blood sugar levels are set back to normal range, and that is how it goes back to homeostasis. And then we're going to be discussing our positive feedback loop. So first we have our stimulus, and that's going to be the pressure against the cervix, which increases oxytocin. And then we have our receptor, which it detects increasing levels of oxytocin. And then we have our control center, and the message is received from the receptor. And then we have our effector, and that it means that the brain sends signals to the uterus. And our response is our oxytocin stimulates the contractions. And these contractions are going to move the baby, and it's going to move closer to the cervix, and more oxytocin is produced until the baby is born. So first you have the stimulus, which produces change, and then you have the receptor, which is going to detect that change, and then you have the control center that gets the information from the receptor, and then you have the control center that sends a signal to activate the effector, and then you have the response.